Welcome back to Savvypreneurship. Are you ready to take your business to the next level by expanding internationally? Whether it's exporting your products, importing goods, or outsourcing manufacturing overseas, conducting business abroad can open up incredible opportunities. But it comes with unique challenges. Stick with me as I break it down step by step with real world examples to guide you on your global business journey. So, let's get to it. First, let's talk about exporting, which means selling your products in foreign markets. To succeed, research the target market thoroughly. For instance, if you're exporting organic skincare products to Europe, you need to meet the EU's strict labeling and safety regulations. It's also crucial to partner with reliable distributors or agents in the target country. For example, a small coffee brand from Colombia found success in Japan by collaborating with a local distributor who understood Japanese consumer preferences. Lastly, don't forget about logistics. Consider freight forwarding companies for hassle free shipping and always factor in tariffs and taxes when pricing your products. Exporting is a great way to expand your market without significant investment. To get started, 1. Research potential markets. 2. Understand export regulations and documentation. 3. Find reliable distributors or partners. And 4. Adapt your product for local markets if necessary. Next up is importing, where you bring products or raw materials into your country. This can lower production costs or help you offer unique products. For example, a US retailer importing Italian leather bags can tap into a niche market with premium offerings. But importing isn't without challenges. You'll need to navigate import duties, customs documentation, and compliance with local regulations. To streamline the process, work with a customs broker and thoroughly vet your suppliers. Platforms like Alibaba or global trade shows are great places to start finding reliable vendors. Importing can help you access unique products or reduce costs. Key steps include: 1. Identify potential suppliers. 2. Verify product quality and supplier reliability. 3. Navigate customs and import regulations. And 4. Manage logistics and shipping. Finally, let's explore outsourcing manufacturing overseas, a strategy many businesses use to cut costs. For instance, Apple designs its products in California, but outsources manufacturing to China, leveraging cost efficiency and expertise in electronics production. When outsourcing, start by identifying countries known for quality manufacturing in your industry. For example, Vietnam is emerging as a hub for apparel, while India excels in IT and textiles. Build strong relationships with your suppliers by visiting factories, conducting audits, and ensuring they meet quality standards and ethical labor practices. Communication is key. Use tools like Zoom or project management platforms to stay aligned across time zones. Outsourcing can reduce costs and access specialized expertise. Remember these factors. 1. Research potential manufacturing partners. 2. Ensure quality control measures. 3. Protect your intellectual property. And 4. Manage the global supply chain effectively. Whether you're exporting, importing, or outsourcing, here are some pro tips to keep in mind. 1. Understand local laws. Research trade regulations, tariffs, and tax treaties. 2. Leverage technology. Use platforms like TradeMap for market research and Alibaba, India Mart, or global sources for supplier vetting. 3. Access to government resources. Commercial attaches can facilitate access to various government programs and resources designed to support international trade, such as export financing, trade agreements, and promotional initiatives. 4. Ensure your transactions. Protect yourself with trade credit insurance and clear contracts. 5. Stay adaptable. Market preferences and economic conditions vary by region, so be ready to pivot. And 6, understand cultural differences. Be familiar with business practices in the country or countries you're considering conducting business. Conducting business abroad comes with challenges, but it also offers tremendous opportunities for growth and innovation. Stay informed, be adaptable, and always prioritize building strong relationships in your international ventures. Furthermore, partnerships are everything. Building trust with overseas suppliers or distributors can make or break your international ventures. Thanks for watching. If you found this video of value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This will help me grow my channel. Also, share your international business experiences in the comments below. Until the next episode, keep your business sense sharp, your entrepreneurial spirit strong, and above all, stay savvy.